Hey y'all, I am going to show you Stampin' Up. I lost the words, hold on a second. Notes of Kindness card kit. The card kit contains everything you need to make these cards. I'm going to make each one of these cards tonight just to show you how simple and how easy this is. If you're scared of doing stuff like this, you want to do this yourself, you want to do these, but you're scared, this is the perfect thing to do. The kit's $35 plus tax and shipping, and I make 20% off of that. But I want you to see how easy this is to get. If you got artist block, or card making block, or whatever, I just want to show you. Okay, so I've already been in the box and been playing, so everything's not exactly how it comes, and it might be a couple of things from other kits. We're not going to use anything that's not in this kit, though. We're going to use just what they give us to make these cards. So first, we get the stamp set. Then we get the ink to go with the stamp set. Then they give us the stamping block. I told you this kit's $35. This is a very good value because most places charge for a little ink thing like this $5. Stamp set like that's about $8 if you can find it that cheap. But so one of these, it's about $3 to $4, $5, something like that. Well, not as good because this is nice, good, sturdy. It's a bit a little more expensive. But anyway, say $4, right? So you get say they're like $5.99, I think. So you got $10, $18 right here. Then you got these, another 3, 19, 20, 21. These right here, about $2, 22, 23. Envelopes. All the envelopes that are in here, you're going to have to add that up, but that's about $10. So we're at, what, $32 now? Then you get all your little die cuts. There's all kinds of die cuts, and you'll see. And then there's the little sticker paper thingy. And then there's the card base, and I'm not going to keep adding it up, but you'll see. It is way worth the value. Way worth it. So anyway, let's get started. I'm just going to start making cards, and I'll talk as I go and show you what I'm doing. Let's zoom a little. Oh, I'm not in the right spot to do that. Okay, that's not going to work. We'll leave it like that. That way you can see. Please excuse my mess over here. I thought I had this set so that wouldn't show, but I don't want my tablet to drop. Yeah, see. It's gonna... I'm sorry. I'm doing all this to you guys. But okay, here we go. I'm going to make some cards now. Now the idea of this is, it's just to make something simple and fun. Okay, let's move our box. Put our envelopes back in. The first card we're going to make is this card right here. That one right there. The one that says, "You're so kind." That's the first card we're going to make tonight. So we needed to have all these items. The card base, the sticker banner, the die cut, and the other little die cut. Little square stitch square. Then we need the ink, the stamp, and the stamp block, an envelope, and the dimensionals. But I'm not going to use that one. I have one that's already open out of another kit. I'm going to use it. I'm going to keep this one closed. That way if I ever decide like to give it away or something, it's never been used. Alright. So we have all that. Oh, and our twine, which I already have a piece cut off, so I'm not going to use the whole roll. So I already have a piece cut off. And this, that's what we need. Let's move this out of our way. No scissors. I do need some glue or tape, which I have. I have some two-sided tape right there that I'll use. Maisie, baby, Mommy's doing something. I'm doing something. I'm busy. You're wanting attention and I'm busy. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp. And we're going to stamp the little stitch square that came out of... Honey, I'm talking to the camera up here. I'm not talking to you, baby. You're like, what are you doing? What are you telling me? Okay, so we're going to stamp this. Maisie, we're going to stamp this. And it's going to say, you're so kind. Mm-hmm. That's what it's going to say. I hope I'm staying in the camera thing. Okay, you're so kind. Right there. Yes. And we're going to take the stamp block. And we're going to go like that. Take our paper back off here. Because now, I have Memento ink. And I would prefer to use it and not open these if I can, because that way no air or nothing gets in it. Let's see. Where's my Memento ink? You know, it's a new year, and instead of getting organized, I got even more disorganized. That is not my Memento. Where is my Memento ink? I have two of them, so why I can't find one is kind of crazy. So we're going to open this one. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you something. I'm going to open this one right here. Permanent, what's this one say? Acid-free permanent dye-based ink. We're going to just do this side. I'm just going to go. We're gonna do this. We really are. I promise. My fingers are swollen, so they don't want to work with me. That knuckle. This knuckle is swollen, so it's hard for me to... That's why I haven't been on here. Because the more I do, the worse my hand gets. I'm going to show you a neat trick. I really am. If I can just give me this piece here. Let's do it this way. Oh my God, I'm making this huge mess. I'm doing it on camera. I'm going to have to edit this out. But I probably won't because I'm lazy and I don't like to do the editing. I hate doing that. I don't want to do voiceovers and... Do any of you struggle like this? I struggle doing everything. There we go. Okay, now I left this side alone so that would work as a hinge. So I don't lose my lid. Meanwhile, I got this mess over here on this side. But anyway, okay. So, we're hinging it. And we're just going to go. Okay, you guys are watching me. You watched me open this. Stampin' Up! I'm one of your independent distributors here. Distributors, no. Demonstrators. I'm trying to demonstrate the product. But I can't because the ink spot you gave me is dried out. I'm not happy about that. Not happy about that at all. Maisie, what, baby? What? What? I can't pause the video, honey. You have to go outside or something? If you need to go out, we'll stop the video. We'll just piece it. We can't piece it together.